Hello everyone. Welcome to Learn Chinese with Taranum. Today I will introduce HSK1, its format and share some effective tips for exam preparation. My goal is to provide you everything you need to know about HSK1 exam. So let's start with what is HSK1. HSK1 is the beginner level of the Chinese proficiency test. 汉语水平考试. It tests basic Chinese language proficiency with 150 words. Whether you are a student and planning to travel to China for higher studies, or a businessman want to do business in China, or seeking a job in a Chinese company or one of the CPAT projects, HSK1 will be highly beneficial in improving your Chinese language skills and communication. Let's talk about the format of HSK1 exam. The test is divided into two sections, reading and listening. The first section is listening. It has 20 questions. You will hear short conversations and you need to choose the correct answer. The listening part is divided into four small parts. In total, the listening section takes about 15 minutes. After that, you will have 5 extra minutes to transfer your answer to the answer sheet. The second section is reading, which also has 20 questions. You will see pictures, sentences, and short dialogues, and you will need to choose the correct answer. The test is scored out of 200 points. Each section, listening and reading, is worth 100 points. To pass the exam, you need to score at least 120 points. Let's explore the preparation strategies of HSK 1. First, you should focus on the 150 essential words required for HSK 1. Now, I am presenting some small sentences and useful phrases. These are basics but essential that will help you in daily conversation and contribute to your success in the HSK 1 exam. For example, number one, 你好, 你好, hello. Number two, 你好吗? 你好吗? How are you? Number three, 我很好. I am fine. Number four, 谢谢. Thank you. Number five, 你叫什么名字? What's your name? Number six, 今天几号? How? Date. What's the date today? Number seven, 现在几点? What time is it now? Number eight, 你会说中文吗?中文 Can you speak Chinese? Number nine, 我会说一点中文 I can speak a little Chinese. Number 10, 我饿了. Hungry? 我饿了. I am hungry. Now I am sharing some useful tips how you can get success, memorize vocabulary and practice the HSK1. Practice listening. You can listen beginners levels Chinese dialogues, podcast or exams recording to improve comprehension. Solve past papers and practice online tests. For this, you can take help of HSK online app. And for vocabulary, you can go with Placo Chinese Dictionary. You can also do practice with your language partners if you have. Thank you for watching this video. I hope now you have a clear understanding of the exam format, how to prepare, and some useful tips to succeed. Remember, consistency is the key. So don't afraid to make mistakes. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to comment below. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, Learn Chinese with Taranum for further lessons and tips. Good luck for your HSK preparation. See you in the next video. Goodbye and Allah Hafiz.